Hey guys, welcome to our channel Intellect Coding. Here in this video, we are just going to build a very simple calculator in the C programming language. Okay, so let me just type in here in the comment what we are going to do in this program. Okay, program in C to build a simple calculator. Okay, so here we can start our program. Okay, so we can start with a header file #include. Here we are using standard input output header. Okay, now put here the main function and put here braces. So here I am declaring some variables which we will use in our program. So let me just declare here int type of variables. Let me declare here x, y, sum, sub, that is for subtraction, and mul for the multiplication. And now let me declare here a float variable for the division. Okay, that is div, because our division can be a floating point value. Okay, so here let me initialize x to a number. Let me initialize it to 10 and y to suppose 3. Okay, so here we will use some expressions, some formulas to build our calculator. Okay, so let me just type in here sum equals x plus y. Okay, put a semicolon, then sub equals x minus y, definitely, and mul, that is multiply, equal to x multiply by y, and we use the sign of asterisk for the multiplication. Okay, and diy equal to x divided by, that is forward slash, by y. Okay, and put here a semicolon, and let me typecast here y from int entity to a float entity. Okay, by typecasting y to the float, our answer will be more precise. Okay, so now let me print all these variables. Okay, so we are gonna print them all. Sum is %t, which is used for the int, put here a comma, and the variable which we used for the sum. Okay, that is sum, and put here semicolon. And let me now copy this statement and okay, and paste it here, here, and here. Okay, and now let me make changes in them. Subtraction is %t, and change here the variable. Okay, now here also multiplication is %t, and now here change the variable mul. Okay, and here also division is, here our div variable is a float, so we will use %f here and change the variable, that is div. And here I am using \n so that print statement will be printed in the next line. Okay, here and here also. Okay, now let me just run this program, and here as you can see, sum is 13, that is 10 plus 3, subtraction is 7, that is 10 minus 3, multiplication is 30, that is 10 cross 3, and division is 3.333333, that is 10 upon 3. Okay, now let me just change the values. Let me type in here 45, and here let me just type 5. Okay, now run this program. Very clearly, as you can see, sum is 50, subtraction is 40, multiplication is 225, and the division is 9. Okay, I think you got it, and this is how we build a very simple calculator in the C programming language. Okay, hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel Intellect Coding. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.